What About My Calcium? And the author for that book is none other than Dr. Rupa Shah, which she's gone. Okay. She will be inaugurating the book here today, right now.
Okay, so first of all, I want to give a big hand to Dr. Rupa Shah. She was actually one of the first people who helped me spread this message right in the beginning, and I really thank you for all that she has been doing since then. And so congratulations on this, which is your second book, right? Because she has also written a book on dairy alternatives.
A little about Dr. Rupa Shah herself. She has been trained in Western medicine in Bombay, but since 35 years, she's into natural healing. Natural healing is a big thing after being a doctor. That's the book. And Dr. Rupa Shah is an author. She has a YouTube channel. She is an invited guest speaker at a lot of sessions, workshops, seminars. She's an educator. She's so much. She's so much. She's doing so many things. And as doctor said, Dairy Alternatives was her previous book. This is her second book. And with so much that she's doing, of course she's recognized. She's been featured in Times of India, in various magazines. She was on Star TV. She was also invited on the Amul India show. Amul, right, who makes milk? She was invited on that show. So imagine, I think you all should catch it online if there is. It should be on YouTube. And she does radio shows in India and overseas. A big applause to both the doctors, really.
Thank you, Dr. Nandita, for that very kind inauguration. So every time I'm asked this question, मैं तो vegetarian हूँ और मेरे सारे mostly friends vegetarian होते हैं, तो सबसे पहले चीज बता देती हूँ कि आपको मिल्क छोड़ देना है. तो सब सुन तो लेते हैं मिल्क के बारे में, फिर थोड़ा सोचते, फिर धीरे से मुझे पूछते, फिर कैल्शियम का क्या करने का, कैल्शियम कहाँ से मिलेगा. मेरे डॉक्टर ने तो मुझे बताया है कि 2 ग्लास दूध पियो तो ही कैल्शियम बढ़ेगा, तो मैं तो रोज 2 ग्लास दूध पीती हूँ, नहीं तो कैल्शियम सप्लीमेंट्स लेती हूँ या फिर और कोई इंजेक्शंस लेते हैं. तो मैंने देखा कि इससे कोई कैल्शियम बढ़ता नहीं है, ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस बढ़ ही रहा है, एसिडिटी बढ़ रही है. So I had to write a book on this question because I was repeatedly asked, what about my calcium? अभी 3 दिन पहले ही मैंने एक लेक्चर किया गुजराती में और सारा समझ गए. फिर मैंने सबको पूछा, आप लोग हाथ ऊपर करके मुझे बताओ कि आप दूध छोड़ दोगे. सबने हाथ ऊपर कर लिए. फिर थोड़ी देर के बाद फिर से धीरे से पूछा, हाँ छोड़ तो देंगे लेकिन कैल्शियम कहाँ से मिलेगा. अच्छा 3 दिन रहा, देखो मैं बता दूंगी कैल्शियम कहाँ से मिलेगा. तो मुझे ये बुक लिखना ही था कि कैल्शियम कहाँ से मिलेगा. कैल्शियम वहाँ से मिलेगा जहाँ गाय, भैंस, हाथी, ऊंट सबको मिलता है, वहीं से हमें मिलेगा. हम भूल गए हैं, हमें प्रोग्राम कर दिया गया है कि मिल्क इक्वल टू कैल्शियम एंड मीट इक्वल टू प्रोटीन. So this is the myth, this is the concept, even it's advertised everywhere, milk, 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 calcium, calcium, calcium. So to break this myth, I have written this book. There are all wonderful calcium rich recipes that we use in our day-to-day life. So next time, don't ask me the question. I'll give you the book in hand. Alright, my stall number is 17. My website is www.circleofhealth.in. You can also buy on my website. You can buy it on Amazon. You can buy it today, right now. Now after this, I'll be also signing my books. It's stall number 17. Okay, thank you very much. मैं आप सबको नमस्कार करती हूँ. मेरे टीम के जो मेंबर्स आए हैं, अगर 2 मिनट होगी तो मैं वो लाइक को बुलाना चाहूँगी. मेरे टीम में है डॉक्टर नंदिता शाह, नंदिता कापड़िया. शी इज़ माय बुक एडिटर. And my husband, Dr. Atul, who is my best critic.
And
Swapnil Rajesh. He is there at the back, who's done the cartoons for my. And there is Mahesh.
And he's consulted.
Mahesh is not
consulted.
Yeah, he's consulted for. And then there is Rahul. Rahul in the audience?
No.
Oh, I think he didn't get place. He's outside. So these are my team members who have helped me in writing the books. And I'm so inspired that this book is going to go places because it's not about being vegan. It's just about how to increase your calcium, which is a universal problem. Particularly women about 45 are brainwashed that they must take supplements. So it's really for every one of us. So I'd like to just thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.